Hello everybody and welcome to Sicily. Hello guys and welcome to my land. Since it's summer, I decided to cook for you for July in my place to bring you in Sicily. And so my kitchen for this 2 months is going to be my roof. And today recipe is going to be a very traditional Sicilian sandwich. We call it Pane Cunzato. It's very easy but it's super tasty. Let's start with the bread. We add some olive oil, salt, black pepper, and oregano. Spread well everything. The bread have to absorb the oil. And let's toast a bit our bread. And we cut in slices. A bit of olive oil, salt, black pepper and fresh basil leaves. Now the cheese. This primo sale cheese, highly recommended from Sicily. This is with black pepper inside. You can use any other white cheese. We cut big chunk. Our bread is ready. Our tomatoes at the base. Now we need some good anchovy. They goes on top of the tomatoes. And we close with the cheese. On top, our bread. And we cut. Not bad, huh? When the bread is so good, it doesn't need nothing else, but if you want, and if you have a grill, you can also put it in a grill and toast it also outside. But I like this. For summer it's perfect. It's fresh, salty, cheesy, and it's the season of the tomatoes. Use it. Use the vegetable of the season. Incredible. See you for the next one.